Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of profile picture not changing on the application of REDnote. We click on settings, we go to settings like this, then in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of REDnote. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on killer cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.